So good. Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Dereck Reacts, back at it again. You read right, guys. Another Patreon request for today, my friends. Back again with Indochine. Let's see what they've got for us this time. Taking it back to 1985, guys. You know what year that was. Indochine Canary Bay. First time reaction, guys. Let's get right to it. Before we get into the video, please take a moment. Comment, like, and subscribe. Makes videos like these a little more possible. And also become a Patreon member today. If you do, you'll get to request videos like these guys. They are the ones that make it through to the top and get reacted to first, because you guys are awesome. You're supporting the channel, guys. Another way to support the channel is by taking a look at my store, Dereck Reacts store, custom tees, a lot of cool stuff. If you see merch that you like, you're supporting the channel by purchasing it. Yes, take a look at it when you get a chance. Follow and subscribe on Instagram, Facebook, Spotify, and now TikTok. Without further ado, let's go. Interesting. So good. Out the door, through the window. Are you kidding me? This is so good. I don't know why, but I felt like I've heard this before. Why? Why does it feel like I've heard this song before, guys? It just sounds so damn good. It's very new wavy, synth pop all the way, catchy, the continuous beat, everything about this, guys. It's just so good. Most definitely 80s. Oh man, this is good, guys. This was a surprise, big surprise. Let's continue. I'm gonna rewind it. I love the chorus. Bay. Canary Bay. Da, 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 da. Love the synths. More synth. Some drums. Fantastic. A hush part. Oh, completely nasty. Damn. It just ends abruptly. I believe it's a little longer than this. I believe there's probably a longer version to this. This probably wasn't the best video in terms of audio quality, but it still did pack the punch. I don't know why I feel like I've heard this before, guys. I don't know if I reacted to something live of theirs and then they threw this in there, but it just sounded very, very familiar, like I've heard it before. I don't know why. Extremely catchy, extremely addictive, and very, very synth poppy. And the great thing about it is new wave. It is. It's a song that just kind of like sticks with you, and you don't mind how long it is. I wanted it to keep going. I did. It was very exciting. Love all the instrumentation parts there that we get, specifically the drums. Was not expecting that. So there's that. A good one all around, guys. What else I have to say about it? I don't have much information, but if Indochine wants to be continued to be reacted to, these are the songs I want to hear. These are the songs I definitely want to hear. Until next time, guys, for more videos like these, take care. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more videos like these, be sure to check this one out. And also take a moment to comment, like, and smash the subscribe button to stay on all the latest reaction videos. And guys, yes, I have a Patreon link. Be sure to check that out when you get a chance. Help support my channel. Makes recommendations like the one you just saw all the more possible. Alright guys, take care. Love you guys. Peace.